हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूं शालिनी अग्रवाल एंड वेलकम टू मार्केट डेस्क वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट। इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे वीकली मार्केट राउंडअप्स और कुछ ऐसे इवेंट्स जो आने वाले वीक में मार्केट में मोमेंटम दिखा सकते हैं। तो चलिए सबसे पहले बात करते हैं टाटा ग्रुप की। टाटा to become the first Indian company to manufacture Apple iPhones in India. Tata Group is set to start assembling Apple iPhones in India after Wistron approved the sale of its Indian manufacturing unit to a Salto software conglomerate, a minister said on Friday. Let's move ahead. Indian banks have offered incentives to lift up the digital currency transactions. Indian banks are offering incentives for conducting transactions using central bank digital currency, e-rupee, nudged by RBI to boost volumes, three sources said. The incentives range from cashback to rewards point, similar to what banks offer on debit and credit cards. Fast food slowdown catches up with McDonald's India's franchisee. Shares in India's Westlife Foodworld fell as much as 7.7% on Friday, a day after the McDonald's operator reported a surprise drop in quarterly profit and indicated high inflation was squeezing consumer spending in the current festive quarter. Prices of essentials in India have shot up in recent months, prompting companies like Coca-Cola to roll out smaller packs and restaurants to launch cheap burgers and pizzas. Retail onion price up by 57%. Center steps up government impose floor price of export. The union government on Saturday imposed a minimum export price of $800 a ton, which is Rs 67 a kg, on onion exports between 29 October and 31st December to ensure domestic availability. Prices have shot up more than 50% in the past 2 weeks to Rs 80 a kg in the retail markets of Delhi. Let's move towards international news. Healthcare companies counter investor worries over Wegovy effect. Healthcare companies who profit from treating obese and overweight patients are trying to convince investors that powerful new weight loss drugs won't shrink their business. The global market for obesity drugs could reach as much as $100 billion within a decade due to the effectiveness of Novo Nordisk, Wegovy, and similar medicines. Elon Musk X launches two new premium subscription plans. Elon Musk's social media platform X, formerly known as Twitter, rolled out two new subscription plans on Friday, including a Premium Plus tier for users willing to pay for an ad-free experience. The Premium Plus plan, priced at $16 per month, includes all the tools and features offered by the company, minus the ads, the company said in a post on the platform. आज के लिए बस इतना ही। ऐसे ही स्टॉक रिलेटेड न्यूज़ एंड अपडेट्स के लिए कीप फॉलोइंग मार्केट डेस्क। और अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो डू लाइक, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल और हमें अपना फीडबैक कमेंट सेक्शन में देना ना भूलें।